Hi guys, so this will be our top-down analysis on gold, guys. What are we expecting in gold? We can see that overall market gold is uptrend, an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, breaking structure, break of structure right here, right? But we can see that based on right now, the market has just been trending to the upside without much of retracement. So certainly we know the market doesn't just go straight, it's gonna retrace at some point in time, and we should be expecting that because the market has just been tanking to the upside. So we can see right here another trend line right here that is also valid right around here. Like I said, we can see that structure was broken, and we haven't tested anything yet for us to continue to push to the downside. But we can see this candlestick right here, but the candlestick hasn't closed yet, so we don't know if it might still change to be an upper candlestick. But we are not doing anything in the monthly time frame. This is just to look like the overall picture of gold. So now let's go to our weekly. So what are we seeing in the weekly time frame as well? As we can see the weekly time frame too, definitely a buy, a break of structure right here, right? We can see right here that the market. So let's just to make it a little bit more compact, I can draw a trend line right here as well. So let's see how I can draw this. Okay, that's also good. So the trend line just make it a little bit more compact for me, make it smaller for me to be able to see overall what I'm working with. Like I said, we can see that we have this break of structure here with this minimum one right here. So let's see. Break of structure right there, right? So we can see, and the market also came around this level area right here. It's around this area right here. So this is like our next area for it to actually like retest, since we know that the market always come down to retest, it doesn't just always go up. So based on the weekly time frame, this is what we are looking at. Let's go to my daily time frame now. So let's see my daily time frame. I'm gonna refine that right here. Okay, let's see what the market is doing. We can see right around this area right here. This is the previous high we have, right? This is the previous high we have right here. We can see that the market we had break of structure. It broke the structure right here. So instead of it to at least come to this area right here, you can see that I started reacting around this area right here. This was, if assuming this didn't break, until I just continued to push out to continue to break the structure, right? But as you can see that the market did not hold around this area right here, and it broke this previous structure right here, right? So we have change of structure right around this area right here. Change of structure right around this area right here. It's now become like a downtrend, right? As we can see, it's now become a downtrend here, and we still continue to break structure right here to give us the lower high. We broke this previous structure as well, right? So that's what we are seeing right now. So as of right now, the market is sort of like in a downtrend based on what we are seeing right now, on a downtrend, right? Until it's break this previous one right here. So we can see that we have an imbalance right here that needs to be filled. So that's a good possibility area for us to take a sell if it's still going to. to sell, right? Like I said, we also have here makes it more valid right here, this imbalance right here. So I'm gonna put this right here. Mm, let's see. Yeah, this imbalance right here. Okay. So now let me go to my 4 hour time frame. Let's see. You can see right here we have a break of structure. This is like an internal break of structure right here. Right here, right? We broke the structure right here. We also continue to break this structure right here. Oh, right here. You can see we broke the structure right here as well. Then we also broke the structure too, right here. But assuming we came here to start rejecting around this area right here and pushed it down so that we continue. So as you can see that we broke the structure right here and that became a change of structure, right? And it started tanking to the upside and we are currently around this area right here. Probably not change. It's gonna break this area right here, right? And you'll see I'm gonna break. Let's go to my 2 hour time frame. We can see that it's currently breaking that right there. Based on my 1 hour time frame, it's currently breaking that structure as well. So which makes sense that the market will continue to tank to the upside to possible around this area right here. So I'm gonna refine this. So as we can see right here, if we use a trend line right here, that also shows that the market is currently uptrend, right? You can see the market is currently uptrend. So definitely we can also use another mini trend line right here. This is also a valid one to use. Right here, we can still also use another one right here as well. So let's go to say, okay, adjust that. Let's go to my 15-minute time frame right here. We can see that this is our our internal break of structure right here. We can see right here. So I think the market might come down a little bit, maybe to this area right here, since it's giving us the we can see it's giving us the higher low, sort of higher low here. This is also lower, so there is that possibility of it coming down right here to kind of like retest down here for us to take an entry for a buy to up around this area right here to this imbalance right here. So is you just have to be a little bit more careful when taking your entry. Make sure it's more solidified that the entry will be around here for you to ride it to the upside right here, or it might come down a little bit to possible touch this trend line right here for it to push to the upside. You just have to be mindful of how the market will react around that area. But as of right now, I'm thinking maybe something like this, so us to ride to the upside, run around that area. So if you right to the upside, that knew this will be our TP area right here. Let's see, 72130. It is 135. Yeah. So as of right now, guys, I'm predicting buy on gold, depending that it's sell. So it's more good to actually follow the trend rather than going against the trend. And if anything happens, we just reanalyze based on the market. But as of right now, the market is tanking to the upside. So it's just safer to be on a buy side rather than a sell side on gold. That is my quick analysis on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.